back to Home Mystics. My name is Tutu Westerhoff, and I created this channel to share my thoughts and some inspiration on creating homes that help us to become happy, joyful, loving people. Today I want to talk to you about a line that I read, and it goes, "I am too broke to be cheap." I am too broke to be cheap. When I read this, I felt like it absolutely resonates with me. And it's not because I don't want to spend money. It's just because sometimes I see that there is no need in going out and buying options that are cheaper just because I believe that I'm saving money. Nowadays, consumerism is like the norm. We spend so much out there. The market is flooded on endless options. And I think that the phrase, "I am too broke to buy cheap," may seem crazy at first glance, but there is a lot of truth in it. The concept is about focusing on investing in quality over quantity, and how making smarter financial decisions can lead to a long-term improvement of life, a long-term savings and satisfaction. So in other words, buying cheap can often be more expensive and bring more and bring more stress in life. So being mindful about spending can benefit not only our wallets but also our well-being. When we talk about buying cheap, we often think that it's all about opting for the least expensive available option. It may seem like a good idea, but short term it may seem like a good idea, but long term it can lead to false economy. Here's why. Cheap products are often made with lower quality materials, and also the craftsmanship is not as good. Because of that, they tend to wear out and break much faster than the higher quality products. So you find yourself replacing these items more often and end up spending more money over time. Also, lower priced items may not perform as well as those that are slightly more expensive. For example, a cheap appliance may consume more energy, leading to higher utility bills, or an inexpensive piece of clothing may not fit well or be comfortable, leading to discomfort, or it does not withstand washing it, and the quality is probably overall bad, and you end up replacing these items more often. Sometimes you can see why cheap products are cheap, because they don't always have all the essential features that the more or the higher quality options have, and this leads you to spending extra money, maybe to upgrade, or maybe to buy something else to complete what is lacking in the option that's a little bit cheaper. A lot of these cheap items come with really bad customer service as well, or limited warranties, and when something goes wrong it becomes such a pain. And so it may be tempting to opt for the cheapest option, but investing in quality can offer long-term benefits. I'm too broke to be cheap. High quality products are often built to last. So when you spend a bit more upfront, you can enjoy the peace of having that item, the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your purchase will stand the test over time, and you won't need to replace it or repair it as often as you would do if you would buy something that's a little bit cheaper. That's why I say I am too broke to be cheap. Or I could also say I like my peace too much to be cheap. because cheap products cause you so much stress sometimes. Quality items perform better and are more efficient. Investing in quality can also give you greater satisfaction and well-being, because when you buy something that is well made and reliable, you take pride in owning it. You also enjoy using it. And this leads to a more positive overall experience and less stress and frustration that you might get from the cheaper option. So when you buy something, don't only think about the upfront costs. Think about the total cost of ownership, and this includes things like maintenance, repairs, and the energy consumption. A slightly more expensive item may be cost effective in the long run if the ongoing costs are less. Focus on buying things that are essential and will have a significant impact on your daily life. That's important. It is worth investing in items that you use more often, or that make your life more nice, like a comfortable mattress, a mattress that will make you sleep well, will prevent you from having the back aches and all that stuff, or a reliable car that will get you safe from A to B without you being worried that a wheel might fall off. So the phrase, "I am too broke to buy cheap," is a powerful reminder of the importance of prioritizing quality over quantity. So investing in well-made, reliable products can save you money in the long run, enjoy a greater satisfaction, and reduce the stress and the frustration that come with cheap stuff. Be more mindful with spending. Be more mindful when you make your decisions, because that will benefit not only our wallets, but also our overall well-being. So the next time you're faced with making a choice between a cheap option and a higher quality alternative, remember that sometimes spending a little extra cash can lead to more savings and better experience in the long run. And also, all of this is going to help you when it comes time to keeping your home organized. And that's what I'm here for, to give you the best advice, the best tips, the best tricks on creating homes that make us happy people. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you know someone who might like it, feel free to share, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.